if you have an idea for a tech product, like let's say you want to design an app, what is the first thing that you're going to do? I bet you that many of you said, okay, we're going to go and hire developers. And listen, that is wrong. Just watch this video and you're going to save yourself thousands and thousands of dollars and save your employer or your investors thousands of dollars, hundreds of thousands of dollars, actually, most of the time. But basically, um, in order for a product, and let's just use an app because we all know what an app is. In order for an app to go from an idea to an actual thing that exists, say on the Apple App Store, the first thing you have to do is actually work with designers. Designers are the first people that you're hiring, not developers. Design for technology is a discipline. I find it is a fascinating discipline. And essentially, there are two really important types of designers you need to know about: user experience designers and user interface designers. Essentially, when you have an idea, you have an idea for a product. A product is always a solution to a problem that somebody is experiencing. So first, you need to understand what is the problem, who is experiencing it, how are they already solving it. So this kind of thinking, this kind of research is actually done in tandem with designers. And I bet you didn't know that, because I bet many of you think that designers make pretty things. And I mean, yes, the designers were involved in the making of my fabulous outfit and my jewels. However, those are different types of designers, okay? In technology, design is a discipline, but it is not graphic design. It is not logo design. It is all about user flows, and it is about understanding. First, designers have to understand, who are your users? How are they solving this problem? How can we create a better alternative? So first, designers have to do some research, and you do that research in tandem with them. And then they create prototype solutions. And only when those solutions have already been tested in front of a bunch of test groups, only then are you prepared to even speak to a developer. So if you are working in innovation at a company going through digital transformation, or if you have an idea for an app, or if you are an angel investor and somebody says to you, I want to build this app, you just need to understand that the first people, the first hire, the first money that is going to anybody is going to a designer, not a developer. Developers must come after designers. If you found this useful, then what I suggest you do is listen to the Tech for Non-Techies podcast. There are a lot of lessons on this. So there are lessons for people, for business people working in companies going through digital transformation. So basically non-technical people who need to understand tech. Also lessons for non-technical founders and people who want to invest in tech. So basically, if you're a business person and you want to have a thriving career in the digital age, check out the Tech for Non-Techies podcast. It's on Apple, it's on Spotify, it is wherever you get your podcast. And then tell me how you are using the lessons that you've learned. I would love to hear from you.